Apple might be about to change everything. Again, the Apple Vision Pro just dropped, but rumors are already swirling about the Vision Pro 2. And if they're true, this could be Apple's biggest leap since the first iPhone. We love our iPhones, but let's be honest. Smartphones haven't really changed much in a decade. Bigger screens, better cameras, sure, but nothing revolutionary. Apple knows this, and the Vision Pro 2 might be the device that finally replaces the phone in your pocket. First, the biggest rumor: a lighter, slimmer design. The current Vision Pro is powerful, but heavy. Apple is reportedly working on cutting the weight nearly in half, making it comfortable enough to wear for hours. Second, price drop. Insiders suggest Apple is considering a cheaper version alongside the Pro, something closer to the cost of a high-end iPhone. Imagine Vision Pro-level experiences, without the $3,500 price tag. And third, the wildest rumor: true iPhone integration. Instead of replacing your iPhone immediately, Vision Pro 2 could pair seamlessly with it, bringing calls, apps, and even notifications directly into your field of view. Picture this. You're walking into a store, and your Vision Pro 2 overlays real-time prices and reviews on the items in front of you. Or you're FaceTiming a friend, and they appear as a lifelike hologram sitting right across from you. No more looking down at a screen. Your world is the screen. But here's the thing. Can Apple really pull this off? Or will Vision Pro 2 end up as just another expensive gadget before its time? Apple's history tells us one thing. When people doubted the iPod, the iPhone, even the Apple Watch, they changed everything. So is the Vision Pro 2 Apple's next iPhone moment? Or is it too soon for the future of computing? I'll be watching closely. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see where this tech is heading, hit subscribe. Your dose of the future is right here.